Friends today,
enemies tomorrow.
Yes. Nah.
Photocopy there, yeah. She loves Stonebwoy.
Nah, sisi ezina akoye.
She hates Stonebwoy.
Badder than badder.
She hates Stonebwoy forever.
Yeah. PKB aware there. Elon Musk. Ibi Aisha Modi, he help her make he start Starlink for Ghana.
Oh, DJ, why the joke?
Oh, no. Elon Musk.
DJ, why?
Ibi, I say Aisha Modi will help Elon Musk.
Was.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Hello, beautiful people. I say we're from DJ Parkour Rich. I had me at Parkour Rich Studios. Now, I'm not here alone. I'm with my brother.
PKB original. Yeah, PKB.
Yes. As usual, I'm there with the month of betrayal. Now, what Easter month? This be the month where we had one of the biggest person to betray one of the biggest person in this world. Only Judas Iscariot in Jesus Christ, right? And at the same month, Easter, Aisha Modi, aka
she loves Stonebwoy.
Nah, sisi ezina akoye. She hates Stonebwoy. Badder than badder.
She hates Stonebwoy forever.
Yes. Nah, enyumbi oha our friend there. Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Yes. Nah.
Photocopy there,
yeah, photocopy there. And then papa box we also. And then look out to have some song be like that. You say that nyanko pa that not thankful.
Empire.
Yeah, we see like some good friend turn bad, But today we are here to tell you about some of the good things Aisha Modi has done.
Hey.
Yes. Aisha Modi help people. Aisha Modi wa buan kofo pa na Ghana funa wonya yo.
Hey.
International wise, Aisha Modi help people.
Hey.
And after that, we are going to actually give you some biggest fallout in Ghana. Yes, fallout in Ghana. Now, PKB aware there, Elon Musk. Ibi Aisha Modi, he help her make he start Starlink for Ghana.
Oh, DJ, why the joke?
Oh, no. Elon Musk.
DJ, why?
Ibi, I say Aisha Modi will help Elon Musk.
Was this one? Yeah.
Oh, no. Make a fact in our challenge. Hey. Elon Musk be very ungrateful. And you see, do you know that the Burkina Faso president, Ibrahim, when he wanted to do coup, he took Aisha Modi. Aisha Modi actually bought him 3 plates of rice and Captain Ibrahim. Captain Ibrahim do a coup. You understand?
Plate of rice.
But you see, sometimes, but what the Aisha Modi, Ninette's what, like the kind of jobs she does or when they be scared.
Charlie, they should get money.
It looks like Aisha Modi has helped everyone.
International financier.
I honestly heard that when JJ Rawlings was going to form 2, Aisha Modi actually helped Rawlings paid.
Yes.
Yes, the former president.
All be lie.
And then even when Dr. Kwame Nkrumah met Fatia Nkrumah on their wedding day, canopies only you seen. On their wedding day, canopies are what you seen.
DJ.
Aisha Modi paid for everything. So you see, when I see the likes of Obra Phenomena, they are not being grateful. The likes of Samino Nomena, Voran Persona, they are not being grateful to Aisha Modi. And I said, Aisha Jai Papaya. Because Aisha Modi Papaya. Aisha Papaya. Aisha Modi Aya Papaya Wagane na. And you have school feeding program. Aisha Modi na Nisa Wumpa. Even for NDC to get into power. Aisha Modi really helped.
Oh, how?
Yes.
Oh, how? How can you tell me this story?
Aisha Modi abuan kofo P.
We could have killed a lot of people.
P.
How can we tell you this story?
P. It's Stonebwoy. See, we really, they love you.
Yeah.
But we are begging you that Instagram, what from Anepe, they are finding it difficult to change Aisha Modi's name because she has actually made a request that she wants to change the name from She Loves Stonebwoy
So she hates Stonebwoy. Better than
she made a mistake loving Stonebwoy. Now, I was asking myself a question that Aisha Modi, okay, yeah, Stonebwoy did tattoo good.
Charlie.
No con one, I don't care. Good enough for one can see already. She loves Stonebwoy. Children called the Okom you. I see the good now.
No, that one said she be agenda woman. That's why she never tattoo any of the people.
Yeah. By the way, she they love Stonebwoy. Like I they expect some tattoo like that too.
Also, that love we take give work for us.
But honestly, you did it right now. If Aisha Money they buy you lunch, you go take.
Maybe we parallel lines. If I say I'm for you, have to pass like this.
OPKB. You sure say Aisha Money they buy you some.
Somebody will go help you. He will kind of shout there.
No, that is when if you're ungrateful. Aisha Money don't try over border.
Oh, Charlie.
Every day, Aisha. See, when you help me, me now I go can't tell people say you help me. Me now go can't tell people say Aisha Abuam.
So that if she comes and she says it later,
Ewa,
you don't go move anybody.
I will tell everybody the details of the moi because I don't go like situations say go buy me goat. They go tell me say you buy me cow. Yeah, pet about it. It's important. Me, for example, I am open for help. And I think even Russia, they need Aisha Modi's help.
Oh.
Yes.
Putin be okay. Putin
no, Russia, they need Aisha Modi's. Okay, then Aisha for help, Ukraine
rather, yes.
Yeah.
Make you go help.
Aisha Modi, I don't help Ukraine. Why you Russia couldn't to you go help because Charlie, woman a helper. If they say stretch a helping hand, that is Aisha Modi.
I swear.
That woman they help.
They help. Oh.
Help. Charlie, me when you need to. But you see, the problem I have with her is that I did Aisha Modi no ya papa that way you so yeah do ye. And Aisha what that small there your papa that.
Nobody's saying you.
I the babu Aisha sister T.
It be a hosh.
Aisha papa na ye but nkofu nyi wa ye. So why don't you stop doing it?
Yeah.
Because at the man I can Trump so kasa da wallow. Inti say ebo Trump mo win election e kaka. Trump dey go come tell you in mind sister Aisha.
You help me so.
Inti I'm telling you, see me dey me Aisha no kromo hina. I'll put band on her from being good to people. Honestly, we need to stop Aisha from being good to people.
Yes.
We should place a serious ban on them.
Like she's addicted to doing good to people.
Yeah, because Papa ne yon kese wo hwe Aisha Modi. Papa Ayama Stonebwoy, you see in case wo hwe. Into why would you go ahead and still do that? Please stop.
Wait on say 4 years ago, you say a good relationship of the ask say you should say if anything happy, you don't car escalate 4 years ago. You say no, if he the Stonebwoy girl, you should be like it is something like hey, you know, come out. We keep quiet. And no, ne.
But right now, you know they keep quiet.
No, I really keep quiet.
I hear they say
Instagram self won't stop out from doing too much live. They do live too much.
But you ended that I shock you. Yesterday I slept very early. Ended up at that type of power. But so at 3 a.m. Aisha Modi or your live on TikTok about how people have been ungrateful to her. I was assisting. I said I should the purple.
Like what was she expecting?
Hey.
It's not a contract. Oh, you're artist manager. No, you're not.
But
you go to finance
she's
people.
more than a manager. She's a sole proprietor. Hey, sister Aisha. Yes, sister. I'm a sister. You're a sister. But you die a Castro, papa. But you die a book bag, papa. But you die a Regirac store, papa. Be you there. Oh, be you wired.
Grandpapa.
Oh, Aisha Modi, papa. Die Dr. Pounds.
Grandpapa, lie.
Aisha Modi, wired Dr. Pounds, papa. Why Ablekumanana Lace, papa? Comedia Warriors, why and a papa? Zola Bean, why and a papa? I mean, these are facts.
So,
yeah, hey. Aisha, the one it comes to. But my problem is that why the one call register general, no one call register company, papa ye, and I call to papa ye company ne. Aisha Modi uncle to papaya food a joint in it. Ewa. Then it becomes like Aisha papaya food joint. I mean, she opens a restaurant. What happened? Or the chichayo. Aisha restaurant no good at the end. But the chichaya papaya do papaya da also. Aisha, please, mo trimming. But somebody was also asking. Somebody was also asking. Aisha, or did this catch a chada? No questions. I say, Aisha, if you dey take your body the dash, so then that one to go they take the dash. That's
problem. That's why they problem.
Aisha, I mean, much video there, be a video reply, boy. Be a video reply about I help Bo. Blow. Please don't react. Oh, be live.
Okay, things.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?